Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on My Smart Career. In this video, I'll be guiding you through the complete registration process of TCS Ninja 2021, which was recently announced for 2022 passing out graduates. So for the TCS Ninja 2021 registration, we will first go to the website tcs.com. So on the official website of tcs.com, we will click on the career tab. Under the career tab, you can see here is that registration for TCS Ninja hiring year of passing 2022 is given over here. So we will click on no more. The end date of registration is 15th August 2021 and the test date is 30th August 2021. So we have to perform the registration before 15th of August 2021. And today I'll be guiding you through the complete registration process of TCS Ninja 2021. So in the first part of this particular video, I have already discussed about the things which are required for the registration process and all the basic details of TCS Ninja hiring process. So before you start the registration process, 2-3 things are very important to know. The first thing is you must be having a working email ID. That means you must be having a password of that particular email ID because all the communications of TCS will be done through that email ID only. Second thing is you must be having a mobile number where the incoming and outgoing call facility is available as well as the messaging service is available. So we will click here, registration open. Once we click on the registration open, it will direct it to the Next Step TCS website. So on Next Step TCS, we have to click on register now. Now in this particular area, we have to select IT. Once we click on IT, the registration form will appear on the screen. So select the title first. Fill up the date of birth. Next, select the gender. Fill up the email ID. Enter your contact number. Next, fill up the college name. So you can see here, the moment I started typing the college name, it is appear in the drop down menu. So you have to select the college name from the drop down menu. So make sure you have selected the college name from the drop down menu. If you are not selecting the college name from the drop down menu, even if you are writing the college name correctly, you will be getting a DT reference ID. And if you are selecting your college name from the drop down menu, you will be getting a CT reference ID. So you can see here, the college name is Trident Academy of Technology, comma, space, Bhubaneswar. Now if I'll change the comma position, space, comma, then I'll be getting a DT reference ID. But if I'll write the college name, Trident Academy of Technology, comma, space, Bhubaneswar, and I'll be getting the college name in the drop down menu. Now I am getting the CT reference ID. So it will not make a much difference, but this is very important that you are selecting your college name from the drop down menu. If your college name is not appearing in the drop down menu, you can write the name of the college by your own. Qualification is Bachelor of Technology. Now select the year of pass out, that is 2022. Nearest test location, whichever is available. Bhubaneswar is available, so I'll choose Bhubaneswar. Now if you are staying in Jharkhand or Bihar, you can select Patna is there. Let us take Ranchi is there or not. Ranchi is also there. Okay, so you can select as per your convenience. Now enter the password. As per the TCS password policy, your password must contain letter in uppercase, lowercase, numeric number, as well as some special character. So I'm entering the password in this particular format. Once you type the password, you just note down the password. Now select your security code so that by any chance if I forget my password, I can recover my password by the help of this particular security question. After this, you have to type this particular character in this box. Now before submitting this application form, make sure you have entered all the information correctly. Your name, your date of birth, your email ID, mobile number, institution's name, qualification, year of passing, nearest test location that should be convenient to you, your password in the particular format, security question, and this. Now click on submit. So once you click on submit, now make sure your email ID and mobile number is correct and click on confirm. You will be getting your city reference ID provided by the TCS. That is CT 2021 3694 233 is my city reference ID. For all further communication with TCS. Now an email with your city or DT reference ID and password as entered by you has been sent to your email ID mentioned in the registration form. Click on the continue and enter your password to complete application form and access campus commune. Now click on continue. Type your password once again. Then click on submit. So this is your login page on the TCS Next Step portal. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on application form. Now here you can see the first part is your personal detail that you have to fill up. So fill up the permanent address very carefully. Now if your present address and permanent address are same, click on yes. Save and continue. Now you have to fill up your academic details over here. Click on continue. So as you have already entered your institution's name and higher qualification as well as the passing out year, it will be appearing on the screen over here. Now click on save and continue if it is correct. Next you have to fill up the course duration. So basically your BTech course duration is of 4 years. The course is of full type. Specialization, that is electronics. And telecommunication engineering. So select your specialization from the drop down menu. Now the grading system is CGPA. So what is your CGPA till your current semester? So if your CGPA is 8.1, fill 8.1. Now click on save and continue. Please select relevant course. So definitely it is 12th grade. If you are an equivalent diploma students, click on diploma. So specialization is, type your university name or institution's name, board. Now select full time. Grading system is mark basis. So total maximum mark was 900 and the obtained mark is 630 let. So you have 70%. Click on save and continue. Please mention the core duration only for class 12. 12th has a duration of 2 years. So if I will be entering from 2016th of July, that is 15 July 2016 to 14th of August 2018, and if I will click save and continue, you can see here the dialog box. Please mention the course duration only for the class 12th. So make sure you have entered the course duration only for class 12. That means for 1 year. So 15 July 2017 to 14th of August 2018. So only for the class 12th means you have to enter the details for 1 year only. That is for 12th. So what I'll do is that I'll enter here July 2017, 15 July 2017 to 14th of August 2018. Now I'll click save and continue. Here you have to fill up the details for class 10th, university institutions. Select the board. Now here also you have to fill up the details of 1 year only, that is class 10th. If you have entered to the 12th in 2016, that is 15 July 2016, you have to enter the date before 15 July 2016 for class 10th. So this date should be June 15, 2016, and this must be 2015 June 15. Click on marks. So total mark is let 900 and the obtained mark is 630. So this is exactly what your percentage is. So click on save and continue. Now have you done any other courses? If you have done, then click on yes. If not, then click on no. 7. Continue. Now, have you taken the NASSCOM Assessment of Competency Technology or NAC test? If you have done, then click on yes, otherwise select no. 7. Continue. Do you have any work experience, relevant work experience? No. Now this part is very important. Do you have any break in studies? As I told you in my previous video that you can have a 2 years of break in your studies. Any gap more than 2 years is not allowed for ninja examination. So if you do not have any break in studies, then click on no. And if you have any break in studies, click on yes. So if you have any break in studies, you can write the particular reason, but you have to show the documentation proof for that particular reason. I'm selecting no. Have you done any other courses? No. Do you have any pending backlogs currently? So basically for TCS Ninja examinations, one number of backlog is allowed. So if you have more than one number of backlogs, you are not allowed to sit in the TCS Ninja examination. So make sure you have either no backlogs or you can have only one backlog. That also you have to clear before the joining. Now declaration. You have taken all subject marks into consideration for calculating the obtained mark, total mark, CGPA in each of the above mentioned academic qualifications. Yes. The marks CGPA obtained entered by you for each of the above mentioned academic qualifications have been secured in the first attempt. Yes. You have considered only the marks CGPA obtained during the normal duration of the course for calculating obtained total mark CGPA. Yes. You have completed each of the above mentioned academic courses in the stipulated time as specified by the university, institutions and as per the TCSL selection guidelines and do not have any extended education. Yes. You have declared break in studies, work experience and pending backlogs, if any, during your academic. You have declared break in studies, work experience and pending backlogs, if any, during your academic. Yes. You have not attended the TCSL selection process in the last 6 months. Yes. You have read the TCSL eligibility criteria and understand that your candidature application offer onboarding is subject to fulfillment of the specified criteria. Yes. Click on save and continue. Now select nationality, India, language known, add rows, select English, speak, read, write, add row, Hindi, yes, 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 mother tongue, add row, Odia, yes, yes, yes. So select the number of rows depending on how many language you know. Language certificate, do you have any language certificate? If you have any language certificate, then please select the certificate from below list. 7. Continue. Achievements, do you have any achievements? If you have any achievements, then you can write over here. Most of the students participate in national level mathematics or science olympiad. They can also mention over here. Okay, if you have any certificate, then you can upload over here. I can click save and continue. Please provide the below details carefully as they will be printed on your TCS identity card if you get selected for TCS. Now in this page we have to mention our name, blood group. We have to upload a passport size photograph and we have to upload a CV. So for the passport size photograph, the specification is given over here. Kindly upload your recent passport size color photograph. Dimension must be 35 mm cross 35 mm. Format JPG, JPEG. Size must be below 500 KB. The photograph must be formal with a white off-white background. You should look straight into the camera and your head should not be tilted in the photograph. Fourth number point is click on the browse button to search for the location where the photograph is stored. The photograph will be uploaded and displayed to you. So you can directly upload the photograph from your drive. We have to upload a CV. So let us upload a passport size photograph. And upload a CV. once you are done with the uploading, click Save and Continue. So these are the security details that you have to check. Click on Application Form Preview. So the application will be downloaded in the form of PDF. And this is your application form. So please do check all the details you have mentioned here. Now once you have verified all the details on the PDF, you can simply click on Submit Application Form. Would you like to apply for the TCS recruitment drive? Click on Yes. So test mode, you have to select the test mode, in center or remote. So depending on your feasibility, you can choose any of this one. So I am choosing remote. Click on Apply. So finally you will see on the screen that you have applied for the recruitment drive. Right? Now you can track your application over here. Now here you can see the TCS application status on the screen. Applied for the drive on the date 20 July 2021, 8:58. Application received. 20 July 2021, 8:58. Candidate registration is done. It is registered. So these three things you have to check after filling up all the details on TCS Next Step portal. So this is the complete process for the TCS Ninja 2021 registration for 2022 passing out batch. So if you find any difficulties in filling up the application form, you can ask me your query on the comment section. Thank you.